Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn chapter 1, Knowing Our Numbers, of class 5 Mathematics. Myself Milan Patil. So let's get begin. Let us see what are the learning objective of today's lesson. At the end of the lesson, you will able to write numbers in words and figures. Count the number of items in each of the figure. We have figure A, figure B, figure C and figure D. If you count the number of apples in figure A, the answer will be 6. Whereas there are 4 flowers in figure B, 5 balloons in figure C and 8 ice cream cones in figure A. We represent symbols for these objects and we call them as numbers. Counting numbers are called natural numbers. The numbers which start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on are called natural numbers. Which is the smallest natural number? Yes, you are correct. 1 is the smallest natural number. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are called as symbols. Each of these symbols are called digits in mathematics. So when we say 1, we write this is the symbol for 1. This is a symbol for 2. This one is a symbol for 3. So when all these are, there are total 9 symbols and all of these symbols are called digits. For example, 57 is a 2-digit number. When we read this number, we say it 57. If you count the number of digits in this number, there are total 2 digits. So this is a 2-digit number. Count the number of digits in the following. We have 6780. If I want to read this number, it will be 6780. So count the number of digits in this particular number. This number has total 4 digits. A group of denoting a number is called numeral. When we write a combination of digits, we call such number combination of digits as numbers or numerals. For example, 305 is called numeral. There are various symbols used by different people all over the world. For example, in Indo-Arabic, we use these symbols, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These are the different symbols in Indo-Arabic language. Whereas in Devanagari, these are the symbols for representing the same numbers. And when in Romans, we represent one as I and then 2I, 3I and I and V and so on. These are the symbols in Roman script. So there are different symbols which are used by different people. So how to read a digit? We use place value system to represent a number. For example, 416. Let us read this number. How do you know the value of this number? When we say it as 146. Let's see how. We have 1 which is in the hundred place. We have the next digit which is 4 which is in the tenth place. And we have 6 which is in the unit place. Okay. So each of these digits has got a specific place. When I start writing the places of this digit, I will start from the right hand side. we have in the right hand side the first digit 6, which is in the unit place, or it is also called the ones place. Then we have the next digit, which is 4, which is in the tens place, and whereas the digit 1 is in the hundred place. Therefore, when I read this number, I will read it as 146. Each of these digits has a fixed place, and each of these place has got a fixed value. So therefore, this is called a place value system. Let us try a bigger number. Okay, there are some symbols here, and each of these has got a specific risk. If we start counting, if we start reading the number from the right hand side, we have the unit place, then we have the tens place, we have the hundred place, and we have the thousand place. Count the number of boxes in the unit place. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 boxes are there in the unit place. So I will write it 5 in the unit place. Similarly, there are 3 boxes in the 10 place. So I will write 3. Similarly, there are total 3 boxes in the 100 place. So again 3. And there are 2 boxes in 1000 place. So 2. So therefore, the number will be 2, 3, 3, 5. That is, if I read this number, it will be 2, since 2 is there in the thousand place. So 2335. So let us take another example. Okay, we have the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's start giving each of these digits a places. So we'll start from the right hand side. In the right hand side, the first digit is 5. So digit 5 is in the 1 place. Therefore, the value of it is 5 into 1. The digit 4 is in the tens place. So therefore, the value of it is 4 into 10. We have the digit 3, which is in the hundred place. Therefore, the value of it is will be 3 into 100. Digit 2 is in the thousand place. So 2 into 1000. And similarly, digit 1 is in the 10,000 place. So when I want to read this number, it will be 12,000. 12 it When I want to read this number, it will be 12,345. And if I want to write it, it will be 12,345. Let us take another example. We have the digit 5360. 0. If we start from the right hand side, we have the first digit, which is 0, which is in the unit place or ones place. Therefore, we write it as 0 into 1. Then we have the tens place. So 6 into 10. Then we have the hundred place. The digit is 3 into 100. And similarly, 5 is there in the thousand place. So 5 into 1000. When I read this number, since 5 is in the thousand place, I will read it as 5,360. Thank you.